Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on animals. Animals are living beings that live in water, land or air. They can be big like elephants or small like ants. Some animals are wild and live in forests. Others are pet animals and live with humans. Animals help us by giving milk, eggs and wool. Birds have wings and feathers to fly. Fish have fins and gills to live in water. Some animals sleep in the day and are active at night. We must love and protect animals. Animals make our world beautiful and lively. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.